we have to find the value of each expression. In the first example, we have 30 minus 11. We start from the left side. 30 minus 11 is 19. So we can write that this is 19 plus 20. We just copy. So this is equal 39. Next example, we have negative 6 plus 14. We start from the left side. Negative 6 plus 14, negative integer and positive integer. So we copy the sign of the greater number. 14 is greater than 6, so we have positive sign. In parentheses, from the greater number we subtract smaller, so it will be 14 minus 6. The rest we rewrite, negative 30, negative 9, minus 30, minus 9, so this is equal. Positive sign, we don't have to write, so we have just 14 minus 6 is 8, minus 30, minus 9, so this is equal. 8 minus 30 is always, I think, easier when you rewrite that this is just 8 plus negative 30. It's still the same, and negative 9 we copy. Positive and negative, memorize, is always negative sign. But now it's very easy to add these two integers with different signs. We check which of these two numbers is greater. 30 is greater than 8. So we copy the sign of the greater number is negative. In parentheses, we subtract from the greater number smaller. So we have 30 minus 8, minus 9, we rewrite. So this is equal. Negative sign we copy. 30 minus 8, this is 22 minus 9. Of course, so this is equal. Again, we have subtraction, integers. So again, it's good to rewrite this as addition. So negative 22 we copy. We have plus negative 9. Again, I didn't change anything because positive and negative sign give me negative. So it's still the same, but now it's easier to do this operation. We see that we have to just add two negative integers, both of them negative, so we copy negative sign. 22 plus 9 we just add. So this is equal. Negative sign we rewrite. 22 plus 9, so this is equal 31. And the last example, negative 25 minus 12. We start from the left side. So this is equal. Again, like before, I think it's easier when we rewrite this example as addition. We copy first number and we have plus negative 12. Positive and negative is negative. I didn't change anything. That now I think it's easier to you to solve this problem. Whereas we rewrite plus 35 plus 8. Of course you can add 35 plus 8. So next we have on the left side two negative integers. We have to add them. So when we have negative integers, addition, so we copy negative sign because both of them are negative. Next, we just add these two numbers, 25 plus 12, plus 35 plus 8. This is 43, we can write. So this is equal. Negative sign we rewrite. 25 plus 12 is 37 plus 43. So this is equal. We have addition of two integers with different signs, negative and positive. How we do this? We check which of these two numbers is greater. 43 is greater. Before 43 we have positive sign. So we copy positive sign, and in parentheses, we just subtract from the greater number smaller. So we have 43 minus 37. So this is equal, positive sign, we can copy, 43 minus 37 is 6. Positive 6, so this is just 6. We don't have to write. This is my solution.